this is the AgriSmart project. So in this project, so this is the landing page, home page. So it's going to display title name, the project name, along with the platforms what we are using: land information, weather information, land preparation, disease detection, seed fertilizer, government schemes, market analysis, crop calendar. Each and everything is going to be displayed here. So first we will go with each and every module. Land info first. So we can check, we can give a land name like paddy land. I'm going to be suppose. Location is Bangalore. So I have acres of 20, and what type of soil type and current crop I'm going to add corn and add land. So paddy land in Bangalore, it's a 20, and corn as well as the date when we did. Okay, total land is 170 acres, around 2 parcels. Okay, so after that, weather information. So we can check the weather information in New Delhi. For suppose we are going to get first. So New Delhi, it's a 27 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to check this in Bangalore. So Bangalore 25. So for fetching its data, it's taking time. So Chennai 26. So weather is working fine. And land preparation. Okay, so we can check how much land we need, like for soil type. For suppose I'm selecting here sandy soil. See, and for that I'm going to make sugarcane. Okay, so it's for land preparation for particular crops. And disease prediction, you can check. So I'm going to upload some images I download from Google. Okay, and upload analyze image. So it's a leafy bleach, high confidence. So treatment as well as the prevention measures is going to give us. Again we are going to upload one more. Okay, so it's going to tell it as a healthy with normal coloration. It's with, okay. So regular inspection of plants, each and everything is going to be works there. So after that, recommendations what we have we can check. So for crop, I'm going to give cotton. See, kharif. Okay, so we'll get a recommendation. So based on the crop type, we are going to get the recommendations here. So as well as, so we have a schemes. So overall schemes what we have, it's going to display. So PM Kisan scheme. Okay, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima scheme, soil health card scheme. So all the schemes is going to be displaying here. All the schemes we have by central government, and after that we have a crop rotation. In this crop rotation, so when it's going to be what are the things? So first, which one we can use all those things we can. Okay, so corn. So first year corn, second year soybean, third year wheat, fourth year again corn. So sugarcane as well as cotton. Okay, and crop calendar. So in which what is the season of crops, each and everything is going to be displayed here based on the seasons. So North India, so South India, everywhere we can check. Most of the crop season is almost all is going to be common for some things. And market price. So this market price is going to be checked every day. There might be a variety of changes in price. There might be a variety of changes in price. And finally, finance. So in the finance, so we can add a income or expenses what we have. Crop sale, like government subsidy we have for suppose. So I'm going to, okay. So these are the things what we have all the going to display. This is the final outcome of a project.